Hi, this is Ricky Johnson with TechSoft 3D. Today I want to show you a demonstration of an inventory management solution on the Hoops web platform using Hoops Communicator. Within this demo, you can set filters to visually show each item's status within your assembly. For example, I can say that I only want to show parts that have 200 to 500 units in stock. As you can see, these parts disappear as they no longer match my criteria. Additionally, I can refine my criteria even further to only show items that cost less than $100 per unit. In-depth information about each part selected can also be viewed on the left-hand side of the screen. However, this is more than a demo. It's also a full tutorial and GitHub project that can be used as a reference or starting point for your own application. Within the step-by-step written tutorial, you will learn how to generate an XML file of a CAD assembly using Hoops Converter, which can then be parsed within your own application to link inventory information to nodes within the model. Once you have your inventory data linked, you can then visualize relevant inventory information using the Hoops web viewer to modify the visual attributes of your 3D model. Filtering different nodes within the model based on parameter inputs from a user interface is also a topic that is covered within this tutorial. In the demonstration, we filtered our model based on price and number of units, but this can easily be changed to any other relevant information that is used within our inventory management system. Lastly, you will learn how to set various rendering attributes like color, visibility, and transparency on nodes within the model that can be used to display your external data. This tutorial is designed to show you how to link external business data to a CAD model within Hoops Communicator. If you find this tutorial useful in developing your own project, we'd love to see and hear about it, so feel free to leave comments below and within our community forum. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for an evaluation so that you can get your own project started. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on any new content that's put out.